Give him away.
Oh, I've been coming 2 years in September. I just enjoy paddling.
Brilliant from coming on here, very relaxing. I come every Monday. I bring my son Robert, who's got a learning disability, and he absolutely loves it, yeah. The movement is great for them.
I loved the canoes, and I loved it when I was able to get in and out of the canoe, and because you're closer to the water, which is absolutely beautiful. But I'm really grateful that I can get into this lovely boat here. I love water. I have to be near water in my life.
I bring people from the steps and they really enjoy it. It's very relaxing and very peaceful. We don't go very fast and we can sit and chat.
Cotswold boat mobility is great because it's such a peaceful way of spending a couple of hours. You paddle along the canal. We've just seen cygnets and cootlets and coots and dragonflies and damselflies. It's sociable and it's good to help people get out on the boat. Yeah, it's just a brilliant way of spending a couple of hours.
Yeah, I enjoy it. I mean, it's not very funny. In my position, I don't get a lot of fun. So it's good to get out of the house and do fun things.
I do end up chatting to a lot of people. So it's a good anti-isolation thing, I think. When you're walking along it, you don't see it as well as you do when you're on the actual canal. And I love it, it's great.
I like seeing the wildlife and enjoying the scenery and speaking with other people. I mean, I make the cakes for some of the big parties and things. Yeah, you drive a Wheelyboat. You know, as I say, it's really good fun.
Oh, look at those babies.
Oh my goodness.
Lovely. There's lots of life in here.
They've been so kind to me. They help me as much as they can so I can come out and enjoy this wonderful activity. My friends were all jealous of me because they didn't know about it.
The Boat Mobility are brilliant organisations. They do help people that are a bit unsteady on their feet like me, or a bit, have suffered strokes and things. They're very disabled people. So I would say join it and come with us and have a fun.
Oh, absolutely. Come out and enjoy it. You're safe as houses and everyone will look after you to make sure you enjoy it as well.